It's also just a bad example of like how to build a good business, in my opinion. Like, just scream outrageous things at a camera and you're going to all of a sudden have 1 million followers who just want to hear you scream shit.
Yeah, it's interesting because it's not a long-term business plan. It's a very smart way to flame out fast.
But it
make a shit ton of money.
Kind of reminds me of like the way Trump was president. Like, what did he do? He tweeted crazy shit. And when he was on camera, he would say crazy shit. And then he would get, viral with a certain specific crowd. It's the same thing that...
Yeah, no, that's 100%. You say wild things. You're going to not only excite your audience that agrees with it, but you're going to blow up the video because you're going to enrage the other side. That
the other side's commenting, engaging, creating that virality of that video.
And these algorithms love engagement, whether good or bad, as we've seen, and that's what's blowing it up. And so I definitely don't think it's a strong long-term business plan, but I think if you're looking to make a shit ton of money really quickly and you don't have any shame in what you say, this is how to do it.
Yeah, agreed.